Hi everyone, this is Michael James, editor for webhostingcat.com, and in this video, we're taking a look at WP Engine versus Liquid Web. How do these two web hosts compare, and which one should you choose? Let's take a look. For years, WP Engine has been the industry standard for managed WordPress hosting, and recently, Liquid Web moved their WordPress hosting over to the Nexcess platform. So in this comparison, we have two of the most respected hosts in the WordPress community. WP Engine and Liquid Web Nexcess have premium hosting plans for both individuals and agencies. With WP Engine's hosting plans, you get faster websites with EverCache technology and Google Cloud Platform, automatic data backups, website staging, free StudioPress themes, and a global content delivery network. With their WordPress hosting plans, Liquid Web Nexcess includes automatic scalability, automatic plugin updates, Cloud Accelerator for optimized speed, customized firewall, and email hosting. When it comes to website speed and performance, WP Engine and Liquid Web Nexcess are both highly impressive. WP Engine's proprietary EverCache technology, together with Google's Cloud Platform, allows them to provide some of the fastest speed results of any WordPress host. Nexcess features their proprietary Cloud Accelerator for optimized performance and site speed. While both WP Engine and Liquid Web Nexcess provide excellent speed results, WP Engine posts slightly faster times in our testing. WP Engine features a proprietary firewall with threat detection and blocking, along with multi-factor authentication. Liquid Web Nexcess includes proactive security with a customized firewall, continuous malware monitoring, and bot filtering. With both companies providing solid website protection, this category is a tie. Customer support is definitely a high priority for both WP Engine and Liquid Web Nexcess. The response times and issue resolution are outstanding. WP Engine continues to be focused completely on WordPress, so you're assured of receiving expert support. Liquid Web Nexcess provides the type of support you would expect for mission-critical websites. While this category is very close, WP Engine gets a slight edge because of their consistent approach in going the extra step for customers. WP Engine and Liquid Web Nexcess are both excellent choices for all managed WordPress hosting situations, and this comparison is very close. Overall, while I recommend both WP Engine and Liquid Web, in this comparison, WP Engine is the winner based on their combination of features, performance, and support. For more information on WP Engine and Liquid Web Nexcess, check out our website at webhostingcat.com. Thanks for watching everyone, and take care.